Hi everybody, I'm Mariah. Welcome back to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to tell you 3 great ways on how you can tie your balloons together to start creating your balloon garland. Now, these are all ways that I have tried and they're all great for different reasons. We will be making actual videos on how I do all these different tying methods, so definitely check those out. But this will just be a short video to show you some options. So one great option is just using the neck of your balloons. So you're already gonna be inflating your balloons, you're already gonna be tying your balloons together. If you watched our tying video, you'll remember I told you to make sure you have a really long neck, and the reason for that is so that you can tie them together and create your garland. That'll kind of create your base garland, I should say. Another great way to attach your balloons together is with a 260 balloon, which are these long, stretchy balloons. So you can tie those and then you can use it to like wrap around your other balloons, figure eight it, all that good stuff. Again, watch our videos for a little bit more in-depth detail. And then the third way you can tie your balloons together, which is the way that I first learned how to do a balloon garland, is with a tie line. So a lot of people use fishing line. I don't personally like fishing line. I've had it snap on me a lot. It also cuts the balloons, I feel like, a little bit more. So this line I actually just got at Walmart. It is a big game braided fishing line. It holds up to 50 pounds. This is the brand right here. So this is what I found to be the best so far if you want to use some sort of string. So again, definitely check out our videos on me using these different methods to connect your balloon garland.